Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best Panasonic ZT60 calibration settings. Best Panasonic ZT60 calibration settings. Panel brightness set to high, contrast set to 85 to 88, gamma set to 2.4, RGB gains 100% white, red -9 to 10, green 0 to 3, blue 10 to -2. CMS color management system. Red hue 0, saturation -9, luminance -6. Green hue 8, saturation -1, luminance 1. Blue hue 0, saturation -1, luminance -2. Cyan hue 6, saturation 1, luminance 5. Magenta hue 14, saturation -1, luminance -13. Yellow hue 5, saturation 3, luminance 2. 95% luminance peak. Manually adjust luminance at 90 to 100% to prevent white crack. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.